Hi, today I am going to report on the trending topic how the extinct direwolves will revive it. Okay, first, the company Colossal Bioscience commented that they had successfully uh, created three hybrid puppies that look like the extinct direwolf. These animals were made using ancient ADN and advanced technology. The director of the company, Bit Sapiro, said that the puppies were very different from domestic wolves. Daniel Salomone, uh, an expert in genetic editing, expressed his concern. Uh, I have mentioned that even though the technology is impressive, but the animals are not truly authentic. Salomone said that many zoos have even refused to provide genetic material to the company. And finally, he pointed uh, out that creating these animals might be exciting, but we must consider the long-term consequence for biodiversity. Thanks.